Today I'm going to walk through generic Node.js framework to generate reports, dynamic reports as per the configuration set by the user. So here basic design will be I'm going to develop an REST API and I'm going to use Express which is connecting to MongoDB through MongoDB driver. So I'm going to use MongoDB table report config. So it will have these many columns, report name, and the source API from where the report data will be getting, and the attribute to display whatever columns you want to display. And if you want to add the filter by condition, you can set here. So furthermore, column can be added for group by or greater than or any kind of condition. This is extendable. And in API, I'm going to do two main components. One is the routing component, and another is the model. So model will have the similar mapping as database, so all kind of properties. So in the table, what I showed around 4, so these 4 property will be there in this model. And this in this REST route, I will write down all the methods to save the configuration, to generate the report, or get the list of report. And this section I'm showing how to run this application. So you simply do the node-mon server or just node server. I'm also putting in the solution one Docker file if you want to deploy this in Docker. And for the Git, I removed my configuration for MongoDB. You can add your configuration for your environment. So once you run, you will find these base URLs to test this application. First is the list of reports if you want to see. So let's check it out one by one. So here we save the two report configuration, incident report and the user report. And let's see another one. So this is the configuration. What is the detailed configuration for these reports? Yes. So it is showing two reports and the incident report and user report, what configuration from where it should pick the data. Everything is here. And how did I save the configuration? That's this API, add API. So this is the post call. So you might need to use the Postman or you can use any other tool. So I did the URL and the body. So here I specified all the configuration part, and these many columns and address columns, these are the child columns of address. So what this application will do, it will concatenate under address. So it's successfully added. We can check in MongoDB, all these columns are here, the 2 rows are here in the MongoDB table, so that looks good. So backend, so this I have already gone through. Configuration, if you want to do your configuration, custom configuration, you can just run the post. And yeah, so I will come back on this. And so this is our application. So this is the route path which I was talking about. So all the methods are here. This is for adding post configuration, posting configuration. And this is to get the list of reports. So only the reports I'm returning here, and this is returning the configuration. And this is the main method to generate reports. So name of the report which you want to generate, and if you want to specify the count, max count you want to specify, you can pass it as a parameter. If you want to apply filter, you can pass the filter value. So these are two options here. So all these generic logic is there, and it also dumps a report file in the system directory in the same folder structure. So here that is the code to dump the file. So let's test it out, this code. First let's go back to our report. So two reports are there. Let's pick any one user report. So let's take this URL. Oh yeah. So we already tested to get the list of all the reports and adding, posting the reports. Now we will test the generate report part. So the URL should be like this: generate and the incident report. So I was entering that one URL. Yeah. So here you can see. So system by default returns the 100 rows, but if you want to specify the next rows, you can do it. You see 10 rows are written here. If you want to further add the, let's check it out. What's the configuration for this? So incident report, filter by condition is not configured, so we can do it here. And for other report, we have the filter by condition as well. So let's test it out this. So yeah, so these are the user reports. Let's return 10 users. And now let's do the filtering part. So name is I want to get only the particular user. So I will add the filter for this. You see only that is returned. So it works very dynamically for all kind of reports. And this framework is pretty extendable. Can be extended for any type of condition. And that's all, I think. Thank you.